Welcome to another edition of Always Analog, where we celebrate the beauty of analog technology in the real world. And today I am going to open a package that came from pencilscom, a great resource for pencils. And this will give you a little preview of stuff I'm going to be reviewing in the near future. Let's see here. Okay, but everything, yep. So here's what we got, folks. This is open a little bit, but so here is, oh my, I'm so excited about some of this stuff here. All of it, actually. All right, so let's start here. This is, we've got a dozen made in the USA Golden Bear pencils. Now, I have reviewed these before, but the orange ones. And these are the same pencil for the most part, except they're blue. And I love these pencils. I love them. They are really well made. I don't know who makes them exactly. And they're only available through pencilscom, so I don't know who they contract to make them. They feel very Musgravey to me, the corners. So if I had to guess, I would say they're a Musgrave pencil. I don't know that for a fact, though. But they are a good general pencil. And what I love about these is that you can get them in orange with a blue eraser or blue barrel with a orange eraser. And they're just a good general pencil for writing. Very smooth, nice and dark. Just a nice pencil and not expensive at all, by the way, either. Very, very affordable. So what I've got here, these are from the General Pencil Company in Jersey City, New Jersey. And we like pencils from Generals. This is their test scoring pencil, number 580. They come pre-sharpened. And I'm going to be doing a video soon looking at a couple different other test scoring pencils that I have. So a test scoring pencil is one that was designed to be used to basically fill in a Scantron sheet. Many of you would be familiar with those. They're small sheets, and when you take exams, you have to mark A, B, C, D, E, multiple choice, which answer is correct, and you want to leave a very nice, bold, black mark, which makes it very easy for the machine, the Scantron machine, which scans the exams and scores them. You want to make sure that your answer is picked up. Anyway, so that's what these are for, and other companies make these, including Musgrave, and including a couple of Japanese companies. So we'll compare and contrast. So we got that. From Palomino. These are, again, writing pencils that come in blue and in orange. And the blue ones have been sold out for a long time, and I don't know when they're going to come in. So I opted for these orange pencils. And I can either, I'm not so particular with the color. It is the pencil itself and the quality of the pencil. These are made in Japan, and they have a really fine paint job, and the cedar is beautiful. The cores look to be really nice, centered, and I've not written with one, and I hear they're just beautiful to write with. So I'm going to look forward to that. And these are a little bit more on the expensive side, not like a Blackwing or anything like that, but certainly these are the Golden Bear. This would be more expensive than these, but these are have a Japanese made core, and I'm going to look forward to trying that. Here's another one from Generals in Jersey City, New Jersey. This is the Cedar Point #1. And we're going to take a look at these Cedar Points. But what's funny here is this is actually in a Cedar Point #2 box. So I guess they don't, see, has a picture of the pencil 2HB. But these are, if you look at the actual pencil, it says #1. So I was glad to get these because on General Pencil's website, they're out of stock. So I hope they're making more. But the Cedar Point is a natural finish pencil, and we're going to take a look at those in a future video, both the #1 and #2. I'll review them together. Okay, and then last but not least, I've never written with these. I've heard people talk about them, and these are the Forest Choice. Again, another unfinished natural barreled pencil. These are only come in #2, I believe, HB. Now these are made in Thailand, and we are going to see how these write. I think they're a nice looking pencil. Again, you have just the natural wood, and they smell great. And I like the green ferrule and red eraser. They're from Palomino, which of course we know makes generally their pencils are really of nice quality. So it's a hexagonal natural pencil, and so we're going to be taking a closer look at these. So there it is. Thank you. There was just a quick, I got this in the mail, and I said, I remembered what I ordered, but it's always fun to actually see it in person. You know, it's like just opening up a Christmas present. It's fun. So thank you for being with me and sharing this unboxing of this latest order from pencils.com. And I'll look forward to sharing reviews of these pencils with you right here on Always Analog. See you next time.